Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about how we can create many pages in Weintek HMI. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our EasyBuilder Pro software and here we will choose the color of our screen. Go to the attributes and go to here, and any color which you like to choose in your HMI, you can choose it from here. For example, I will choose this black color, and here if you like to make your headings of your HMI, for example, I will write here company name or channel name, and choose the size of your headings and which color you like to be write. This color you can any choose that color. For example, red color, if you need, you can choose red color and click it OK and place it where you like to place. This you can find, and you can adjust here it at the screen. And next you have to be make another screens, because of our topic is how we can make the pages in the new screens. Go to the view section and here open window, and here you can start a new window after base window, and here you can select this one, window 11. Okay, and then you have to be go to the window 11 will be display here and click it open, and your new window will be pop up. And this window also you can go and attributes and which color you want to choose, this you can simply choose. For example, this color I will choose, so this color will be apply, and go to the corner, click it this one, go to the corner, and one more we will choose. For example, open again, go to the open window and new window, base window. After this is the window 12 will be open. Which color you want, like for example this color, and click it OK, and window 12 and make it open, and your new window will be pop up. Click to the corner and you corner. Now let's start from the third window 12. We will make the name as per. Go to the home, go to the text comment section. Here you can write your name. For example, and select your size, click it OK, and place where you like to be put. And next we have to be make some small program to check our program with PLC. So go to the set bit, and here you have to be choose, for example M. I will choose this one, M3 for example. M3 set on and click it OK. Where you like to make it, here place, here place. If you like to change this design, go to the shape, picture library, and go to the main library, and here which button you like to be place it in the add to the project, and again cancel, and which is you like red button, and click it OK, and then apply and click OK. Your button will be placed. Which size you like to be make and how you like, you can design. Make it Control C and make it Control V. Two buttons will be ready. And if this button you like to be change the color inside, go to the shape, picture library, and this green color if you need, click it on green and click it apply and click it OK. One green color, and after need to be text giving, go to the label, use label and here you can make it at start and click it OK. You can place it inside, and this is also same like go to the label and use label, and here you can stop and you can click it again OK, and you can place it inside the stop. Next you need the indicator for your status of motor or whatever you want. This is, for example, I choose Y0 or Y3, this one Y3, and shape. Here we will need to go to the picture library, go to the main folder, and which colors you want you can choose it from here. For example, this we will choose add to project, close. This is, but this is not little visible. This we can check. Yeah, this is little green and white, and this is red. If we choose, this is look like showing. Click it OK. This is at state 1 look like, and state 0 this look like, and click it OK, and place it with the where you like. Next thing, we need the timer value, which we need to show the numeric value, for example, of our timer, and here of the timer value, and which timer we will choose. For example, this is we using the T0, just 0 type, it's OK, and click it OK, and this is your display of time. Make it Control C and Control V, and you can place it here. Anywhere you like to be placed, you can adjust as per your own requirement. And click this one and allow input, and change the address of D0 and click it. This we will use D3, for example, and click it OK. And here you have to be, this is our window 12. We like to go back. How we can go back? You have to be choose the functions, and here where you like to go. You like to go at the window 10, for example, first page. This is your first page. You can give it here also, here name first page, for example, first page, and also go to the label, and here you can give the label, use label, and here you can make first page. First page, click it OK, and place where you like to fix. This corner, for example, we will fix. This is the page 1, or also you can write it here previous, for example. Go to the label, and here you can page 1, yani page 1 or page 1 page, that's the same name, nothing issue. And when you click it on this one, after you go to the first page, now this page is our ready, and we will make it Control A, that's all, and go to window 11, and here we can make it paste. Sorry, why not coming this all? Delete again. Go to the window 12, Control A, Control C, and go to the here Control V. So all data came at this one, and just only you have to change the, also go to the window 10, and here you can Control V, make this all data will be commit here. This one you will delete, one will be ready. It's okay. And this you have to be give the addresses. This is page 1. Here you can write and go to the label. Here also you have to be change this one. This is the window 11. It's okay because of this is the first page. This is window 11, and just only go to the page 2, right? Just only because of when you go to the page 2, this is the page 2 you have to be select. And in window 12 11, sorry, here you go to the select page 3, for example, label in page 3. And this is your window is which window is your 11. You have to be change this window because of this is the window 11. You have to be go which window? We go to the window 12, change 12 and page 3, and next go to the window 12. After this page where you like to go, window 10. This is okay, page 1, and click it OK. Now go to the first page. Here this which addresses we giving. M3 is on condition, M3 is also on, but we have to be changed set off. This is M3, it's okay. This is which address? M3, M3 and M3, and this is our Y3. It's okay. Sorry, we will make this one start from 0, for example. M0 is set on. This is also M0 set on, set off, sorry, this is set off now. Yeah, set off, it's okay, 0. And this is our Y0, for example. This is our first page, and this is RT0, and this is D1 we have to choose, or D0, sorry, D0. So first we will clear our first page. Go to the PLC program, and here we define this is M0 and Y0 and D0 and T0. Okay, and stop the PLC, and here we will make this all ladder, Control C, and here Control V, and here also one network we will make Control V. Because of we have 3 pages, and we have to be different data need to be all 3 pages. This is we will choose for M1, and this is we will choose for M2. Okay, and this is we choose T1, for example, and D1. Okay, and this address we will choose T2, and here D2, and this is we will choose Y1, and this is we choose Y2. Okay, and this also we have to be choose, this is the T0 close contact, and this is we have to be choose T1 contact, and this is also we have to be choose change the contact T2 because of we are using the T2 timer, because this all 3 programs are different. We have to be show on HMI and start also from HMI. So again go to the, this is run PLC first, and go to the HMI. See, this is first page our same addressing, we make this clear. Now go to the window 11. This is address is M1, set on is okay. This is our M1 also, M1, but this is we have to make set off, it's okay. Now this is our motor, this is the Y1, and this is our RT also 1, and also our this is the D1. This addresses we have to be just only change. Now this is all clear. Now go to the window 12. This is also M how much? 3. It's okay. No, sorry, M2 we have to be used. M2. And this is also M2, but only changes here set off. This is R2, I think so. R0, R1, R2 we use. And this is also we choose D2. Click it OK. Now almost our all programs and pages are completed. And if you like to show this is page 1, also you can write it here. This is you are understand now. This is text how we can make format. This is where you like to place, you can place, and how much copy paste, and you can make this one. This is so now ready. Now we will test our program. Go to the project, online simulation, and now our program is successfully running. So this I will make it downside, and here we will use our PLC, and also HMI status we will see. This is our T0 running time here will be show, and this is our set point. This is we set 1000. For example, if you like to change 1500 time, make it 1500. Here your time will be changed, and as you make it the start button, your time will be displayed, and your first timer will be start. And this is your first page status. After your indication also when on, when your time will be completed, after your motor will be off, because you set the 1500 time after your release off. Make it stop. This will be stopped. And now we will test our second page. Go to the second page, and this is our second program will be run. Here is we have to be first giving the time. For example, 1400 we will give. Sorry, here we have to give 1400 and click it enter. Your time will be changed it here. Make it start. Your program is now Y1 is running, and your indication is running. As this time will be completed, your Y1 will be off. Here you also can give the tags also. This is Y1 motor 1 or motor 2. Now this is your stop, and make it stop. This program will be stopped. And your next now program is for Y2 and this timer. Here I will put no problem. This is D2 is 7 time, but we have to be go first our next page. This is our next page, and here we set the values of our timer or something. This is our 7. You have to be changed here, for example 1200, and click it enter. Your time will be set, and as you start set, your M2 will be on and your Y2 will be start. Very simple. And when time will be completed 1200, your Y2 will be stopped. See, this is the stopped, and make it stop after your timer will be also stopped. And here what's the interesting thing, this all pages when you execute, like to go back, just click on the first page, you go to the first page. This is the page first, but this is when you click it again, this you go to the next page. Here when you click, you go to the third page. How much pages like to be extended, you can extend and make your program in the PLC, and after you can make same like pages, different colors, different datas, whatever this data you like to be read, counters or any timer, counter, analog. Inshallah will be next lecture. I will show you how we can use the counters in HMI, and how we can data set from the HMI and display the data from the HMI. So I hope guys you understand about this HMI section, how we can make the program and show data on the display at the HMI. If not understand anything, send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.